So gross.
Are you gonna make some, Kevin?
No.
Such a nice looking shape.
Oh yeah, there's a guy.
Alright, ready everybody?
Alright.
I'm ready.
Creating stuff.
Oh wait, are you ready? Okay, let's go.
Okay, we're headed outside to see the Pumpkin Explosion 3.0
Why is it 3.0?
because it's my 3rd year of doing this.
Oh, it's the same as it is every year.
It's a bit windy outside.
For our annual Halloween celebration, the chemistry department has decided to put on some demos. We have decided to do them outside because A, they're loud, and B, they're messy. And I don't want to have to clean up. First one we're going to do is Mentos and Diet Coke. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. I'm not sure I really understand the chemistry behind it. For some reason, Diet Coke and Mentos don't get along very well.
I want to dive on it.
So you have probably seen the hydrogen peroxide fountain on like 9 News or Steve Spangler or something like that. This is the Monarch version of that. So hydrogen peroxide is H2O2 dissolved in water, and it's the stuff in the brown bottle that mommy puts on your cuts when you get a boo-boo. Okay? Now the problem with hydrogen peroxide is if you leave that brown bottle in the medicine cabinet for too long, it just decomposes back into water, and one of the byproducts of that decomposition is oxygen. So if you've seen the hydrogen peroxide fountain, basically you get all of this foam shooting out of whatever container it is. That is the rapid decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into H2O and O2. And you could make that go really, really fast by adding a catalyst, which is probably a science term that you have heard, which means we're going to make the chemical reaction go a lot faster than it normally would. So, what we got is, instead of the stuff you buy at Walmart, we have stuff that's about 10 times stronger than the stuff you buy at Walmart. So if you put this on a boo-boo, it would clean out the cut right before it started to eat away your skin, and eventually you die. Or probably not that bad, but much, much, much more stored oxygen here. You notice, yes, I'm wearing gloves and safety glasses and whatnot. So I've got some concentrated hydrogen peroxide in the beaker, and I put in a little Dawn dishwashing detergent to get some bubbles. And what we're going to do is we're going to catalyze that reaction with potassium iodide.
Now the other thing, guys, is you got to be careful with the amount of candy that you eat on Halloween, because if you eat too much, this happens.
Watch out. Don't get this on you.
Now we don't mind hollowing out the pumpkin, but we hate taking out the pieces. And so what we've done is we've used our chemistry knowledge to create a way to take out those last pieces. The first thing that we do is create acetylene gas. It's extremely explosive. But the other thing that you have to have in order to get a bang is oxygen. So we do another reaction where we take hydrogen peroxide, same catalyst as with the vomiting pumpkin, and we generate pure oxygen. Now when you put something that's flammable in a closed container, what do you have? You've got a bomb! And that's basically what we've got here. Now the last thing that you need with a combustion reaction is you need a source of ignition. For that, we have a high voltage Tesla coil. All right, give me a countdown. 3, 2, 1. There it is, the silver carbon.
Okay,
Okay, so that's done. Heading back inside now. Okay, what do you think?
It was a good explosion, right, Katie?
Yes, it was a very nice explosion. Better than last year's and the previous years. Hey guys, it's me, Kevin. I know this video is a little bit short today. We didn't have very much Halloween activities at our schools, so that's it. I'll put in last year's pumpkin explosion as well as the previous one before that right here. You can see them pop on the screen right now. And I'll also put them in the description bar below. And yes, thank you for watching and have a great day, afternoon, night, wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. Peace out.